Hi guys, is your refrigerator leaking water, making water under the drawers? I will show you how to fix it. Somewhere on the walls there is a hole with a water pad. If you can find it, maybe under the drawers, you are able to fix it by free. It's very easy. Just pay attention to the instructions. Look for a wire. In my case, I'm using a wire for ringing bell, telephone communication, network, or something I like. It should be a wire hard enough to keep the shape if I bend it, but flexible enough to do not make any damage in the refrigerator. If you couldn't find a wire like mine, look for a network wire. Probably in the router box somewhere at home, there is one nobody's using. Cut the tip, make that wire to be productive to you, and fix your refrigerator by free. What is important is the tip must be straight, not a hog, okay? Because we don't want the wire to get stuck. Look for the hole and introduce the wire. How deep should it go? It depends how high or how low is the hole. Probably it can take about 1 feet or 3 feet. I'm talking about 30 centimeters or probably 90 centimeters. In my refrigerator in this video, it was 85 centimeters deep. So try to check a little bit the wire. Let the wire to take its natural shape. I recommend to do this every 6 months because the new technology requires that you can clean behind your refrigerator the dust for the blocking and the dust accumulation. But the truth is you need an air compressor to do it right. So it's better on this way. Once that you feel the wire is bending, it's time to pull it out. If you do that as a normal maintenance every 6 months, do it once. If you're doing that as repairing like me now, in that case, straighten the tip again and do it twice. Once again, I'm introducing the wire in the hole. Remember guys, you have to check a little bit the wire. Let the wire to touch the walls. We have a bacteria accumulation, and that's the reason of the blocking. We don't want to mistreat anybody on the way, just to clean the pad. For my refrigerator, as I said, it took like 85 centimeters. When I feel it was bending enough, probably I was close to remove the wire. As well as it got deep, try to introduce it. Once that it doesn't go anymore, it's time to pull it out. There is not any risk, as well as you do not mistreat anything, and as well as the wire is not so hard. For me right now, it's time to pull the wire out. As you watch, it starts bending. Now I'm going to make a test. I will add some water to it. It's cold water, it's not hot, doesn't have any chemical. We can use some chemicals to kill the bacteria, but bacteria will come back anyhow and will block again. So that's the reason I said it's better to clean it every 6 months, period. Just a little bit of water. We don't want to make a mess behind the refrigerator. We only want to see if the water is running through the hole. And because water is running through the hole now, I realized the problem is fixed. Thanks guys by watching the video. I do videos for electronics, but I will make videos for my friends to use all this kind of knowledge and easy tips and tricks for house fixing. So do not forget to subscribe, and if the video was worth it to you, please give a like. See you next time.